Mommy, I keep coughing.
It's okay, sweetheart. We'll help you feel better. Warm soup keeps your throat nice and moist. This warm steam will help you breathe easier. A little honey at night helps stop cough. No cold drinks and no dusty air, okay? Moist air helps your cough calm down. More water helps clean your chest. These drops will help your nose breathe. Sleeping with your head up helps stop coughing. If breathing gets hard or fever comes, we go to doctor fast.
I feel better, Mommy.
Good care and rest always help, my hero.